No, listen. The driver gonna drop you off. Alright, it's warm. The waterfall's crazy. I don't know, make something up, tell him something. Come on.
Still on the boat. Call me if you get lost.
Ayo, I wanna talk, I wanna call you and talk. I wanna walk to your front door and knock. After I stop, my vehicle drive to your city, cause we live an hour apart. Land at your driveway and put it in park. Then do the third line of this verse. Then back to my house and we pack up our bikes and we rock through the park, chase the sun. God, that's all I want. Other than air, oxygen and financial freedom. Yeah, I want your company. I need your company. I want you to want for me. I can't maneuver without you next to me. It's so complex to me. What do you need? Do you need bread? Do you need this? Do you need a hug? Do you need to be alone? I can wrap this up and get the fuck away instead. What is your wish? It can be granted. You're number one on my list. See, I'm Santa. Where's Rudolph? You're parasitic. I do not have some control. I am starting to wonder. Is this my free will or yours? Yours. I'm your puppet. You control me. I'm your puppet. I don't know me.
Did I wait too long? Did I wait too
Control
long?
me.
Did I wait
I'm your
too
puppet.
long? Did I wait
I
too
don't know
long?
me. I'm your puppet. You control me. I'm your puppet. I don't know. I'm your puppet.
Did I wait too long? Dog, sonny, you been trying to find your way to me. A to B, done something that I hate to see. A to Z, done something wanna take a breathe. Run a thon, I just know, but I'ma take a breathe. Third on the sea.